Pizza is a classic dish loved by many people around the world. It's delicious, versatile, and can be customized with a variety of toppings to suit your taste preferences. Making pizza at home may seem intimidating, but it's actually quite simple and can be a fun activity to do with friends or family. In this guide, we'll walk you through the steps to make a delicious homemade pizza from scratch, including how to prepare the dough, sauce, and toppings, and how to bake the pizza to perfection. So, let's get started and learn how to make a mouth-watering pizza that's sure to impress. Ingredients: 1 pound pizza dough, store-bought or homemade. Half cup pizza sauce. 2 cups shredded mozzarella cheese. Toppings of your choice, such as sliced mushrooms, diced onions, sliced bell peppers, sliced pepperoni, or cooked sausage. Instructions: 1. Preheat your oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, 230 degrees Celsius, and place a pizza stone or baking sheet in the oven to preheat. 2. On a lightly floured surface, roll out the pizza dough into a circle or rectangle, depending on your preference. 3. Spread the pizza sauce over the dough, leaving a small border around the edges for the crust. 4. Sprinkle the shredded mozzarella cheese over the sauce, making sure to cover the entire pizza. 5. Add your desired toppings to the pizza, spreading them out evenly. 6. Using a pizza peel or a large spatula, carefully transfer the pizza to the preheated pizza stone or baking sheet. 7. Bake the pizza for 12 to 15 minutes, or until the crust is golden brown and the cheese is melted and bubbly. 8. Remove the pizza from the oven and let it cool for a few minutes before slicing and serving. Enjoy your homemade pizza.